After 4 flights, 8,000 miles, 2 stays in an hourly hotel, and a bag of McDonald's, we finally made it to Xiamen, China. We are here in China. We just woke up. We are like super jet lagged and of course like very underprepared. And we're only here for today, and Ruby, our like business contact here, is picking us up in 2 hours and we're spending the day with her. We want to at least know, I mean, I know like ni hao and like she, but like I want to say it right, and then we want to know maybe like yes or just like a couple little things so that we are maybe more respectful than just walking around like idiots.
Yeah, no, I love it. So, it's been a while. Striking very dark depths of my brain.
Hi.
So,
Hi.
Ni hao. Okay, you have to sit quiet, okay? Okay. Ni hao ma is how are you?
Oh, and just ni hao is hello.
Ni hao
It like
is-
turns into.
Ni hao is like hi, but like ni hao ma is you. How are
But
you?
it's like tonal though, right?
Yes, there's 5 tones, so you're not gonna like.
So we'll like master that probably on this quick FaceTime call.
Right, like in an hour, probably.
Yeah. We don't know what we're doing, but we are so excited to finally put a face with the name and I guess explore a little bit about Xiamen. In our 4 years of travel, we've shared that life on the road isn't all staged photos and slow motion twirls.
We're Tim and Finn, and whether we're stuck in the mud, stuck in the rain, or stuck at the border, we're sharing the unfiltered reality of it all.
Subscribe to join the adventure on Tripped.
Okay, I got you.
It has been a wonderful morning already, and we get to spend the day with our friends Sunny. Hi! And Ruby. Hi! And they both work for the company that we're working with, along with Leo, who's not here right now because he's tasting our spirits for the afternoon.
Listening to YouTube right now.
I know. We went to the Fortress earlier, and now we're here at the seafood market for lunch.
Which Leo has done us the kind favor of ordering everything because we were completely lost.
Right.
You can see how many options there are.
Someone asked to take a photo with Tim.
Well, that was nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
And then we did it again.
Uh-huh. And everything's been great.
How about this? How about this?
Oh, good job,
Look
Tim.
at that. Look at that. Get
Wow. Not too fast.
it. Slower.
Yeah.
Kanpei.
Kanpei. What do you think, Tim?
I feel like I taste that before I actually taste it.
Yeah. It's like Everclear. Oh, more for Tim. Uh-oh, more for me. Wow. Well, this is beautiful. We're trying not to film so much, but had to just show a little bit. We had a private room and it was so yummy and we're so full, but I think now we're going to get snacks. Not snakes, but snacks. We learned the difference.
Try one. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Okay. How is that not burning your tongue?
I know, but it's okay. This is like beautiful. I don't know what's going on. Whoa, what's this?
You know, more.
You know, stuff.
Peanut.
It's just like so pretty. It just like, it makes me want to do this in here.
What's that? Hold on.
Just like, I feel like I'm in a like unicorn. Also, I feel like my tongue is kind of like burning from that ice cream. Did you feel?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I had two too. I'm like,
This looks like a cute little place where you'd live.
I mean, this looks like out of a fairy tale. Look, here's the unicorn. This is very cute.
Charlie Candy Mountain.
Candy Mountain, Charlie.
That's right. This is me, and I'm proud of it. I'm fine with it. Sometimes you like a nice strawberry soda.
Okay, this one's oolong, right?
What?
Tim's strawberry soda.
Look at this. Look at that.
Which one is this?
这里头有加水吗？
没有
juice 吧，
没加水啊。
是不是加了水？干杯！
Oh, we ruined it. Google Translate has been our favorite app of the day. Sunny here speaks pretty good English. Ruby can write English, and Leo doesn't speak English, so she is translating for us. But sometimes it's easier just to open up Google Translate. So lots of looking at phones today.
Have you tried before?
I used to do like skydiving with like parachute skydive.
You jump out of a plane,
哦
like the plane in the sky,
哦，从飞机上跳下来，
跳伞。
跳伞。Then you have an umbrella.
Yeah, yeah.
on
I
the bag.
mixed it. Yeah, yeah. So I've done that a bunch of times. Sorry, Leo. Whoa, look at that careful approach to that bump. Look, it's a love story down there. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was wedding time. It is wedding. Look, it's love. Look how much love is down there. So almost 4 days, 5 days later, we finally made it to where we needed to be when we needed to be here. Today has been an absolute blast. Can't thank these guys enough.
So beautiful here, as you can see. I mean, look at how pretty this is. We have eaten so much food, had so many, you know, funny, good conversations with them, made new friends. Sad that we only get one day here after everything.
Concrete pole.
Beautiful. But the nature of this trip, on to the next country.
We're gonna be somewhere else in like 6 hours. Thank you guys.
And we'll see you next week. what's more fun than actually going to real destinations? Just going to the airport.
Yeah.